Alright guys, got a little short video for you. Decided to order a new piston for this finger ported Stihl 036 Pro. I'm not sure how much time was on that original piston. The saw was seemed pretty whooped when I got it. So I decided to just, go ahead and port it up. But so I ordered up a new Hyway pop-up piston. So I'll have some video of that tomorrow. But I already installed it, got the glue setting up. So we'll see how it performs now with the pop-up and a fresh piston. But also went and threw a tack on there, so kind of keep an eye on RPM, and just makes tuning it a little easier sometimes. But thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.